What you're seeing right here is $60,000. Did you know the average profit on a flip is $60,000? And ironically, $60,000 flows through our private lending portal every single minute. So by the time this video is over, $120,000 would have flown right through our portal. Why are so many real estate investors coming to us for private money? Because the banks suck. They don't like lending to real estate investors. If there's any repairs, they're going to say no. I went to the bank and this is what they gave me. They said, Ross, fill this out and we'll let you know if we can give you the money you need. That's going to take like a month. Real estate investors don't have access to that time. With private money lenders, your credit doesn't matter. We don't need your social security number. We don't have to do a credit check at all. All you have to do is click the link in this video. You'll be taken to a simple page where you can tap 10 buttons to see exactly how much money you can get to buy and flip or buy and rent real estate. Listen, the market has never been better than it is right here, right now. We're a technology company. So when you tap the button in this video, you can get direct access to private lenders who will come out to the property and write you a check. There's no banks, there's no brokers, and there's no BS. It's what you need to get the money to buy any investment property, whether it's commercial, residential, purchase, refinance, everything you need can be found simply just by clicking the link. And listen, maybe you don't need money right now, but click the link anyway. See what options are available to you. Plus, if you don't need money because you don't have deals, at the bottom of our page, you can easily get access to investment properties in your local area. So the money's on the table. The opportunity is everywhere. The ball's in your court. Go ahead and tap the link in this video and you'll have access to everything you need to find properties or to fund properties.